welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this incredible matcha crepe cake using matcha green tea powder. Matcha is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. I use it a lot in my smoothies, but making crepes with matcha is seriously on a different level. This recipe is super easy to put together, so let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to start by sifting together the dry ingredients. So I have some flour going through the sieve. We're adding some sugar, salt. Next, we're adding some matcha, which will pack the crepes with antioxidants together with so many other health benefits. Go ahead and get everything sifted. We want this to be as smooth as possible. Then we're going to mix everything together. Alright, once we have everything mixed in, we're going to set this aside and move on to mix the wet ingredients. We're mixing some eggs together with milk and melted butter. Stir together until everything is incorporated and gradually add the milk mixture into the dry ingredients. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to pass the mixture through a sieve to make it extra smooth, because the smoother the batter, the better the crepes. Alright, that looks smooth. Next, we're going to cover this up and store it in the fridge for about an hour. This way, the batter can rest after all of that mixing. Next, we're going to lightly grease a pan over medium-low heat and use a paper towel to dab any excess grease. Then scoop about a quarter cup of the butter into the pan. Tilt the pan around and let the batter spread evenly on the surface. Then we're going to cook this for about 30 seconds until the top is completely dried. Flip with a spatula and cook for 10 more seconds, then transfer onto a plate. Once all the crepes are done, cover with a clean towel and set aside to cool. And while these are cooling, we're going to whip up a delicious cream for the crepes. In my bowl, I have some heavy whipping cream sitting in ice. We're going to add some sugar and vanilla extract. We're going to whip this with a hand mixer for about 5 minutes, and the ice will make it so the cream gets very nice and stiff like that. That looks perfect. So when the crepes have had enough time to cool, we're going to use a round bowl to trim off the edges and make them look nice and presentable. Next, all we have to do is frost each layer until we get to the very last crepe. Scrape off the excess frosting to make it look nice and neat. Then we're going to cover this with saran wrap and store in the fridge for about 2 hours. That way the frosting can set. When it comes out, sprinkle some of that matcha on top to make it look nice and pretty. Then it is ready to serve. This matcha crepe cake came out very beautiful and amazing. It has a unique tea flavor from the matcha together with that delicious cream. They pair so well. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!